This is my favourite part of the week. I'm en route. I'm about to do another Friday handover here in Ireland. But it's not without its hard work. It's not without its struggles. When I think back at that very first phone call I had with the client, their home just wasn't working. Then we came up with all those cool designs. We built a 3D model. This allowed us to show their home before we started any work. Ian, our quantity surveyor, then built a specification and came up with a costing, ensuring that we stayed within budget. Then Grania got her teeth stuck into it. Grania looks after all the planning permission, and this went really smooth. David Holmes, our contracts manager, he gathered all this information and got it ready to go to our site team. And that's when Edgar, our site manager, and Darius, our team leader, got involved, and all their crew. They were given 14 weeks to build this. Can you believe it? They're actually finishing this 2 days ahead of schedule. Is this ever going to get easier? Probably not. The Sigma Homes bar keeps on rising, but we don't mind. We believe we're changing the industry, and that's all that really matters. Location is everything, and this home certainly has that. We're just over 10 minutes from the Kinsale roundabout. Not one traffic light. Sit back and enjoy that journey. 10 minutes from Mahon Point. If you want that pint of milk, 30 seconds away, your local shop here in Ireland. Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday, and yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. But I want to say a big thank you to you, the listener, the supporter of Sigma Homes. We've had over 100,000 views and comments in the last 2 weeks. I really hope it's helping you on your journey to making a better home. Speaking of better homes, I can't wait to show you this project we've here behind. I'm going to take you through what the house looked like before and what design we came up with here at Sigma Homes. Look at the size of that garden, and the house has completely turned its back to it. We've got to create a big connection here. This is the floor plan, and it's a traditional Irish style bungalow. Once you come in that front door, you're straight into the kitchen. The kitchen is totally disconnected with all the other rooms. It's disconnected to the back garden. You have a small extension built here, and it's just not working. This is a design that we believe for a young growing family will make it that perfect forever home. It starts at the front door. Once you open the door, you've got a much bigger hallway with that big connection into the family room. In the family room here, we've got our kitchen. We've also got our lounge, our dining, and we've also got a utility room with that connection to the outside. As you can see, we've built another extension to the right hand side of the house, creating that home office that is so important, and an additional bedroom. This is what helps our clients to be able to visualize and see what their home is all about. Look at the heart of the home. Let's take the roof off, and now we can really see that family area. We can see the connection with the outside, and this is where the design really comes together. We've seen the 2D design and we've seen the 3D, but let's take a look at what it's like for real. Come on in and let's see the heart to the new home. I love when a plan comes together. You can do all the 3Ds in the world, you can do all the 2Ds, but can you really make it a home? Yes is the answer here. I really like this kitchen. What do you think of it? It's turned out great. The light details and the yellow, it bounces, it warms up the room so much. Colour is so important when it comes to the energy and mood of your home. This is the key feature to the home. Look at that connection window. It softens up the kitchen and it changes the whole mood of your home. I love that hardwood. It makes you feel like you're in the nature. Look at the tiling matching in with your kitchen. But let's take a look at this guy. This is the future of cooking. It's the induction hob. Come on, let's go to see the coffee dock. Look at that storage, everything you need. But we still haven't seen the utility room. Come on, let's take a look. We're in the utility room. This has worked out really well. You can see behind us, we've got a washing machine, we've got a drying machine, we've got a fridge, but all those blue cabinets, they're all deep storage. We're finally here, the clients are on their way. I'm nervous, I'm scared, but I'm also excited because I know they're going to love their new home. I want to say a special thanks to all the construction team and the design team. Well done on a fantastic job, but most importantly to our customers for choosing Sigma Homes and trusting Sigma Homes.